Hi, first graders. I hope you enjoyed the fairy tale that we read yesterday on Wednesday, Cinderella. If you didn't read it yet, go back to yesterday's lesson, Wednesday's lesson, to listen to the story in order to do this activity. So today, I want to talk about character traits. Remember, character traits are words that describe and help us understand a character. So when you're reading, pay attention to what characters are saying, what they're thinking, what they're doing, and what they're feeling to figure out what kind of character they are. What kind of traits do they have? These are examples of character traits: respectful, kind, friendly, talented. Today, I want to teach you that readers can use character traits to describe characters in Cinderella. Then they can use evidence from the text to support their answers. I'm going to go over that with you later, what it means to use evidence from the text. So now we're going to focus on character traits using describing words like adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. These are the characters we are going to describe today: Cinderella, fairy godmother, the prince, and the stepmother. We're going to think about these characters and we're going to use describing words. What do they think? What do they say? What do they do? How do they feel? Think about those things. And if you need to listen to the story again, go ahead and do that. Here are some character trait vocabulary that I want to go over with you. Cruel. This is a character trait that the wolf in Little Red Riding Hood had, and a lot of you were able to identify that, so great job. Cruel means to cause pain to others. You know how the wolf ate up the grandma in Little Red Riding Hood? That's what made him cruel. That was evidence from the book that made us know that he is a cruel type of character, not a positive trait. Jealous. What does jealous mean? Jealous, a feeling when you want something that someone else has. Can you think of any characters in Cinderella that were jealous? Think about it. What about selfish? Selfish, when you only care about yourself and not others. Can you think of any characters in Cinderella that were like that? And then determined. Determined means having a strong feeling that you're going to do something without anyone stopping you. You are determined to do that. Nothing is going to stop you. Can you think of any characters in Cinderella that are determined? I bet you can. Okay. So those are some character traits that I wanted to give you the definition of in case you didn't know what these words meant, because you are going to see them in your assignment. Another part of your assignment is going to be to write or type actually a sentence with a character trait and using evidence from the text to support that character trait. So I'm going to do one for you right now. Okay. Cinderella is, here's where the character trait goes. Cinderella is, what can I say about Cinderella? Well, she is kind. Cinderella is kind. And now, spelled kind wrong. Kind, because I need to give a reason why she's kind. What did she do in the book that made her kind? Well, she helped her family. She helped her family clean the house. So that's what made her kind. Cinderella is kind because she helps her family. Okay? The stepsisters, remember them? The stepsisters are mean because, so mean is a character trait, because they don't treat Cinderella with respect. They're very disrespectful to her. They make her clean up after them. They make her do all the chores. So that's why the stepsisters are mean. Character trait and evidence. Here is your assignment. You will have a Google form. You have to put your name and your class. Then there's going to be some multiple choice questions here. With character traits, Cinderella is, which one is she? Which character trait fits with Cinderella? The stepmother is, and pick a trait. The prince, the fairy godmother. And then on the bottom, you're going to have to type 2 sentences, just like I did. Don't use the same one I did because I know your smart brains can think of one on your own. Cinderella is, and put the character trait because, and give a reason. Use evidence from the text, just like I did. And then the stepmother is, pick a character trait and use evidence from the text. The last question, which fairy tale did you like better? So have fun with this, and I can't wait to see your hard work. Bye, first graders. Let us know if you have any questions.